How's it going, everybody? This is Fast Lane Fixer, and you might be wondering why we're getting this go-kart out of the shop, but that is because I posted it on Facebook Marketplace last evening. I posted it for $380, and I have in it, so I got the frame for $80, got the tires for another $80, and I had the engine already from a different go-kart. And then I spent $20 on carburetors because the first one broke. So that rounds up to $200. So if I can sell it for that much, that's a pretty good deal. So let's see if we can make it happen. So we're just gonna leave it in there till somebody wants to come look at it. We'll see how it goes. Okay, since I'm gonna be selling the other go-kart in this video, that's gonna be a pretty short video, so I figured I'd work on this a little bit. So when I was trying to tighten this back up, I stripped this out, the barrel nut, so now I can't tighten it up. So we're going to see what we can do to get this to stay on there. Okay, I got this off. So I'm just gonna put it in the vise and try to get that little barrel nut off. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. So, see, I have two little pieces of pretty thick wire under there, and then it can screw down on top of the throttle cable, which keeps it tight, and then that goes right there where I ground the other one off. There we go. Now let's see if that bolt fits in there. Okay, so it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna do the next size bigger. Okay, I drilled it out again, and so it fits through pretty easily now. I don't want it too tight, or else it'll just cut the wires off. So now we're gonna weld this nut on here, and we're gonna have these underneath of it to space it up. There we go. So I got it welded on, and I have it screwed down right now, but there'll be a gap right through there, and we thread our throttle cable through there, then tighten it up, and that's how it's going to grab it. So I'm going to cool this off, and then we're going to see if it'll work. Well, I think that worked. So I don't think it wants to come out. Yeah, doesn't seem like it's sliding. So I think that's gonna be that. I think I might need to adjust the throttle return, because I don't know if it's returning all the way. That's good enough. So now that we got this done, and I don't think I need to do anything else right there, I'm gonna go ahead and put the exhaust back on since I don't need it to be out of the way. So I'm gonna throw that on. Here we go. Okay guys, it's like 2 weeks later now, and I sold the go-kart for $300. I ended up having to come down a little bit. But yeah, so I got $100 of profit on that go-kart, so I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time.